Nate, what are we doing today?
I'm gonna buy a pair of pugs.
We're racing.
Bye.
Go, 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 go. This is gonna be hilarious.
I'm doing a good job.
Move, push it down. Pull.
I mean, if I was really clever, I would just hit the button, but I don't need to because here I am. Losers.
You're faster. It's Nathan versus the machines.
So me and Ashley have already had an event in the morning. We went to get breakfast, and then we went and climbed a hill and saw some stuff, then we came back. So the big goal for today is to find me a new pair of pantaloons. I only have one pair of pantaloons and one pair of shorts, so I'm struggling a little bit. And I have some other stuff planned, so please come along for today. Heartbroken, I really wanted this, but it's 5:50. If anybody's ever in Prague and you see that shirt, if you could pick it up for me, eternally grateful. I'll sub to your channel. 30s. Those are 30s.
34 would be back more.
There's a 32. I don't think so. They don't do things in order here.
They should.
Boys, we ballin'. We finna drop 50 racks. According to the security guards, you're not allowed to film in H&M. I've never been followed like that before, but you know what? It happens. They all triangulated on me. It was very strange.
He's back. He's there. He's there. Put him in.
So now that harassment has come to an end, we're gonna go find Wenceslas Square and find some traditional Praguean food, like that weird cone thingy that gets stuffed with things. We're gonna find one of those. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, what is she doing? Oh, whipped cream. Oh yes.
Please?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Strawberry, 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 vanilla, whipped cream, more strawberry.
Where do you want to sit?
Well,
What is this delicious creation? Nom nom. Just walking down the street. Pigeon.
alright, so we just left Wenceslas Square. We're gonna head to the pedal boats now, so stay tuned for that.
So we out here, you know what, my mom said to treat myself when I was in Prague, so here I am. I rented a boat and a driver's. We're getting pedaled all the way around here. We're gonna go see some scenic sights in Prague. What a time to be alive. Look at the scenery. There's a few swans over there, some other boat pedestrians. We don't mess with any broke boys up there. So. And here you are witnessing the first accident of our trip, surprisingly on the waterways, not on the motorways like we thought. You know, it's not easy being rich, but it comes with perks. Private boat tours, private boat people.
There's a can, we should pick it up.
Eco Warrior Ben here, picking up some beer cans, saving the day.
Saving the day.
Saving the day. It's the Vltava River. The Vltava. It's like V-T-L-A-V-A River. Honey, thoughts on the boat service so far?
Great.
Really nice ride, huh? Oh, that guy just ran over a cord.
Stop. I'll stop when it tells me to stop.
There's currently conflict in the cabin here. The captain and the first mate, not saying which one's which, are in disagreement about whether we should turn starboard or not. But here we do have the majestic Charles Bridge you'll recognize from yesterday's video, except we were on it. So yeah, it's nice to see different perspectives of the same thing. So we have decided that we will navigate our chartered ship around this island over here. There's a beautiful island. What's the name? Prince Edward Island? Right over here. Same size, probably same population right now. And we're just gonna have a little look-see and see what's happening. And eventually maybe the crew here will be relieved and a new crew will come in. And off we go, eh?
We have now had a crew change. And Captain Flamingo pants.
Hey!
Flamingo shirt, I should say.
These paddles are very short. This is not good biking position.
I know.
Oh my god. If I had a pirate ship, my flag would be a flamingo. 100%.
We're heading back to return our
Whip.
whip. Yeah.
Full send, honey.
Full send. Sending her fully. 100%.
So they left us. They went to Petron Hill. We're going back to Wenceslas Square. And then we're going to meet them up after. So, Wenceslas Square Part 2. The sequel's never as good as the original, but that's okay. Quick stop for a bite to eat. We got our own little Bavarian hot dog there. I think I was overcharged. I also got a blue Fanta. That looks kind of yummy, but how is it?
Fine.
Fine? Okay, that's a glowing review. So here we are waiting for number 6 tram so we can go back and meet the other hooligans. There's a tram way off there in the distance. Tram going by right here. Hopefully it comes soon. I'm sick of waiting. You sick of waiting?
Going up the Petron Hill on the funicular. So we made it to the top of the Petron Hill. Walking through some gardens. We're gonna make our way down now. We're gonna walk down. Because we don't need another little funicular to take us down.
So we're down at Wenceslas Square. We're back at the apartment. We grabbed some food from our local Albert, which is right over there. Our arranged meeting time was 5:36. It's now 5:34. So we're gonna wait a little bit and see if they arrive right on time. I doubt it. I have very little faith. And there they are, right there. And they're actually early. I find that very surprising, as do most of the beers at home. I bet you Ben's gonna have 5:36 on his watch, but he's early on mine. As well as being our boat guide for the day, Ben Keefe is also our door opener, because we struggle.
What's up, dude?
Hey.
Hey.
So they're gonna go to the zoo. I'm gonna stay here and think of our video Airbnb review. I don't want to review this Airbnb.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah, but I'll have to think of the letters. We have our idea, we have the concept, we just need the concrete details. So that's what's gonna happen over the next half hour. I might do some editing too. Might need some more ice cream. Really, the world's my oyster.
We're trying the GoPro because I don't want to change my camera. Me and Courtney have decided to go to the zoo. So we're waiting for the tram. So we missed our bus. We got off the tram and then we ran across the road like 3 different times trying to find where the bus was, because there was a bus that we were supposed to get on, and so we missed it. But there's got to be another one coming. We're maybe about to miss another one. So we just missed another bus. The good news is they come often. I mean, assuming that it wasn't just a freak accident that 2 came in, like, that couldn't have been more than 5 minutes.
No.
Oh, there's another one. That's a tram. That's a tram. Not right. There's a bus coming. It's the 112. It says it's the 112. We're getting on. On the bus. Talking to the vlog, dude. First find. Porcupines. Just okay. We found something fun. So we're running out of time at the zoo. There's so much to see, and we don't have a whole lot of time. Oh, these are like wildebeest or something.
Here we are at the scene of Planet of the Apes. Caesar is guarding the child. Look at that. Here you go, Nathan. Seals basking. There's not much sun.
Alright, we left the zoo. It was pretty fantastic, I think.
It was great.
It was pretty good. Glad we came.
I wish we came earlier though, because it looked like there was more like hands-on opportunity with the animals, or more of an experience.
Yeah.
But
You can
still
ride an
experience
elephant.
nonetheless.
You can ride an elephant during the day in this.
And you can
this
like
zoo.
go in with the lemurs, and they can like be with you.
Yeah. So we missed out on that, but we still had a pretty cool time there.
Yeah. Then got some good pictures.
Yeah. And yeah, now we're gonna head back. You know what? The top of your head's not in.
You want
Yeah.
Oh, I was kidding.
This is apple juice.
We don't endorse alcoholic products on this channel unless we're sponsored by.
You're sitting out of focus. Hello everyone. Welcome to...
Prague.
We're in the Czech Republic. And so this segment is going to be called Yager.
For all those who don't know what a Yager is, or perhaps it should be better referred to as who Yager is, Jaromir Jagr, insert picture here, is a Czech player, hockey player, very famous in the NHL, known for the curve on his stick and his sick flow. So this whole segment...
Sick mullet.
Sick mullet.
Fantastic mullet. Best mullet in the game.
This whole segment is dedicated to Jaromir Jagr, and that's how we're going to do our rating.
So, Jay.
Jay. For this series, Jay is going to be joy. So how much happiness this place brought to us?
A is affordability.
It is affordability, yeah.
A is affordability.
G is glamour. So how glamorous How rad our place is.
And finally, R is radius. And by that we mean what's around. It's kind of like location. How close are we to downtown, things like that. So let's jump right into it,
Let's
shall
yogger right into this, shall we?
You should say yog. Let's yog.
I like yogger. So Jay's Joy. I would like to start off with a disclaimer. I don't want to do this review. I think that this is a hard review to do. There's a lot of unfortunate circumstances that will impact this review. And I don't like being mean, but, you know, yeah.
This place brought me, you know what? Just because of the things that we didn't have / the time that we had to, like, hoops we had to jump through.
Yeah.
It was kind of funny, I think.
Kind of funny. We're going to spin that as funny. Okay.
I think it was.
You're going to spin that as funny. Okay.
I don't know if I'd say that brought me joy. For me, I think it's a 1.5
Oh my
yoggers.
goodness. I enjoyed my stay here. Not as in here the Airbnb, but here's in Prague.
Okay,
it was a
but
good
we're
time.
rating
I know.
the
Listen,
Airbnb.
listen. How much did the Airbnb play into that enjoyment? Well, I mean, joy, we'll think about it. It's a very simple place. It's very tiny. For me, my joy, it's going to be 2.5. I'm dropping my joy score down to 2. I just remembered how off the door it was. We're going to have someone demonstrate how off the door is.
Locked. First lock.
Oh, what? How do you do that?
You gotta shake it.
Alright, next up we have affordability.
How much did we pay?
Do you want to know how much we paid?
I'm kind of scared now.
Paid 450 Canadian dollars. Yeah.
150 a night. We're here for 3 nights, so 150 a night. Like, really, it isn't bad considering that it is a pretty good location. We're not like
Affordability. It's not great, but I mean it's not the weakest point. I'll go 3.
Yeah.
3 yoggers out of 5. It's not great, but it's not the weakest point.
I agree. I'm gonna give it 3 yoggers out of 5.
Next up we have glamour. So how glamorous the space is. Well,
Did we get any boys to that?
yeah, no, I mean it's not a trash heap. I'm going 3 yoggers out
Really?
of 5. I mean it's not a trash heap. For me to get less than 3, it's gonna have to be pretty trashy. And
Wow,
like
you
you
see-
walk in, it's not the most attractive space, but
Glamour though.
it's
Is
mildly.
it glamorous?
Is it glam? What would you consider glamorous?
2. 2 yoggers out of 5.
I still think. All right. Finally, next up we have radius. Probably this place's strongest suit.
I think it is. Yeah.
Metro lines, 6-minute, 5-minute walk away.
Yeah.
Tram lines, 5-minute walk away. We never looked at buses. Can't really rate on buses. Decently close to Old Town. We have a grocery store. Everybody at home knows how much I love grocery
We
store.
literally have
Grocery
a
store. If I stand up, I can see the grocery store. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
I think 4.5.
I was gonna say
Or
4.5.
it could be a 5. You know what? No. This place needs it. 5 out of 5. Yoggers out of 5. The location's good. I don't have any complaints on location. Alright, so that's it from Czech Republic. This is from this Airbnb. It was just, I don't know. I feel bad, but I don't know. So we're just sending some boys into space because that's what we do because we're astronauts. Download Space Frontier 2. Epic Games' #1 hit game of the year.
Epic Games? It's not an Epic Games game.
Yeah, but they don't know that.
We're all done in Prague.
No, not.
We're leaving very early tomorrow morning.
Yeah, that's when we're done.
Okay. We're leaving very early tomorrow morning, heading to the airport, going to Copenhagen. So see y'all in Copenhagen, I guess. Isn't that right?
Tomorrow can always be better. Hope to see you there.
Bye-bye.